good afternoon. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Yuli and today we are going to bake banana bread. Let's join me baking our banana bread. The ingredients of our banana bread. We have of course ripe banana and we have a stick of butter, half cup of milk, half cup of white sugar, and half cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add cinnamon to my ingredients. We have 1 teaspoonful of baking soda. We have half teaspoon of salt and to have 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. So these are our ingredients for our banana bread. Ato saning we gonna smash our banana. I put extra banana guys because I have a lot of banana, ripe banana, so I'm using it all. Usually you just use 4 banana, overripe banana. So we're gonna smash it. Alright, that is already done smashing. Now I'm going to smash my butter. Some of you guys, you can melt this butter, but to me, I just gonna smash it. Now, we're gonna put our sugar. We are going to create some liquid here, so our flour will soak a little bit, or soak very good to our liquid. We're gonna add our milk. Go ahead and put your 2 eggs. You want 1 egg, that's fine. Go ahead and put your baking soda. Here is our brown sugar. Our salt. And our cinnamon. Wait. Okay. We have to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. Let's put our one and 1/2 cup of flour. That's ready. Let's put it in our pan. And we're gonna pour it to our pan. And this is ready to bake. This is our banana bread. Oh, this is good. Let's taste our banana bread today. Mmm, delicious. I add cinnamon in this one, guys. And you see, so moist. Very good. Hey, if you like my ideas regarding my cooking, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Again, this is Being Yuli. Thank you for watching. Bye.